The question is this Amazfit Bip 5 going to up your game? I don't know. I'm here to figure it out with you, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, take a look at it, talk about some of its features, and then I'm going to just wear it for a week and come back and let you know what my experience was. All right, let's get in here, see what's in here, talk about some of its features. So this is the modern equivalent of kind of what a smartwatch should be. Does everything from obviously monitors using GPS, where you go, the number of steps, your exercise. It auto detects 7 different activities and records those, and you can download up to 120 different sports that it's pre-programmed to monitor. In terms of other items that it monitors your heart rate, it monitors your oxygen level, and then it's supposed to notify you if something's a little wacky there. And another key feature of this, and the one which really drew me to it, is it's supposed to have a huge screen with great resolution. And I really like the a little bit bigger watch than the kind of more sleek little watches. Ooh, you ready to up our game? Let's all up the game together. Ready? What do you think? It looks, you know, it's a substantially bigger than normal smartwatch. Let's just try this on real quick, see if it's got, ooh, it's got an interesting hinged, it has this cool like hinge on the clasp. So I wonder if that's gonna help make it more comfortable and the fit better. Pull this off so it can monitor my stuff, like that. Let's throw it on real quick. Oh, and the other thing is, because it's a larger size, they've kind of created a curved face to it. So it has kind of a more natural look and feel to it. I'll tell you what, the band is comfortable. This is what it looks like on. Let me see if it has any juice. I hear it starting up. Now this is one thing that I have noticed, and it's a little bit of a mild negative of these like less than super brand name smartwatches. I always find it very weird. The bezel isn't uniform all the way around it. Like, you know, like you can see it's actually much thicker here on the bottom than it is on the sides. I kind of can't see what the top is with these lights, but okay, so it wants me to download their mobile app. One thing to do, I'm going to download the mobile app, use it for about a week, come back, let you know what it was like, what the battery life was like, if it was accurate, comfortable, how it integrated with the phone, all those kind of things. I'll see you in a week. Okay, do I normally wear 2 smartwatches? No, I don't, but I've been wearing them for about a week now because you asked me. We want to know, should I be getting the Amazfit now Zep Bip 5, or should I be sticking with my Fitbit? So I've tested it out. I've been wearing them, literally I've been wearing them both. Actually, most of the time I have them on one on each wrist, but I've been wearing them both. And what I wanted to tell you is that this new Bip 5 is really, really significantly good. It's still not a Fitbit, but for what it is incredibly good. I'll tell you, in terms of comfort, super impressed with that. The strap is super comfortable. The face of it is curved a little bit, so it's like the shape of your arm, and it really sits there. And I'm a baby in terms of comfort. The ones that I like, I really love. The ones that I don't like drive me bananas, and I really do like this. In terms of display, the image quality is great. The faces I don't really love so much, but you can buy optional faces. I like a little more of a simpler face. This has just a ton of information, and I find I'm spending too much time trying to figure out what the information is instead of glancing down and knowing what's going on. The one thing that does irk me, and it always does if you watch my reviews, is I don't know why they can't get the image to be the exact center of the bezel. It's definitely raised a little bit. There's a little bit more bezel at the bottom. Have no idea why. It's just a Doug thing. You may not care. I don't even care that much, but I do notice that, and that's what I'm here to talk to you about. There are 2 key features which differentiate the two. So the Bip 5 will give you an O2 measurement. It'll tell you how much oxygen's in your blood, which is a good measure of how well your fitness is and your lungs are working, all those kind of things. That is not in my Fitbit. But in my Fitbit, which is not in my Bip 5, is an EKG, which is actually important to me because I have a little bit of AFib, and every once in a while I want to know what's going on. I can just hit a feature, touch the watch for 30 seconds, it does an EKG, tells me if I got AFib going on or not. Could be a thing for you, could not be a thing for me. It was important to me, and that's actually what drove me to get this. But if it wasn't for that, I think this Bip 5 is an amazing value for what it is. So this Amazfit Bip 5, now a Zep Bip 5, is really pretty stunningly amazing. I would definitely highly recommend it. I would give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. For what this thing is, it is ridiculously cool. In any case, I hope that is helpful. We'll see you next time.